Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. I heard it's absolutely fabulous up in the Northeast. Enjoy that summer day. Grab it all. And get your shots on. Because we're going to be needing those shots pretty soon as I get that bear suit out. Not yet, but we're going to be getting it out. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 36. NASDAQ up 25. S&P's up 6. Gold contract down $11. Traded $1,251 an ounce. Silver down 9 cents at $15.29 an ounce. Copper up a penny and a half at $2.23 a pound. Light sweet crude caught a big bid, folks. Up $1.73, $38.23 a barrel. Bonds, the oil market wants $40. More than likely, I suspect we're going to be at $44. Big move, man. Bonds, you have the 10-year down 12 ticks, 129.04. 30 down 26 ticks, 163.04. Now, the 10 and the 30, folks, gave it up on price. Yesterday we went higher, had lighter volume. Today we come lower and we had lighter volume. You want to keep your eye on those big time because the switch from bonds wanting to go down on price, higher in yield, versus going up is going to be coordinated with this S&P, where this one, the S&P, I suspect, is going to go from being up to being down. King dollar down 41 ticks at 97.16. King dollar was up 222 ticks today. Couldn't handle higher price. Back down. Euro at $1.10. Tomorrow morning, you're going to see this euro move around quite a bit. Why? Draghi's going to be coming out 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, and we'll see whether I don't see him going up on rates. That's for sure. The bottom line is that how much more is he going to go negative, and we'll find out. The yen's trading at 113.43. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We bring up the SPY, and what you're going to see here is this. This SPY, folks, looks like it's setting up a nice small, well, it's not a small ABC up. It's a decent ABC up. What we did out here in the SPY today is this. We got down to a price point of $198.43. We did that with 87 million shares traded versus 123 million shares traded yesterday. Bottom line, you had the test, dramatically lighter volume, rejected price. Now it's going to go make the run for the last swing high up here, which was established last Friday. That swing high is $201.35. You take that out with volume, guess what? That brings you all the way up into the 205, 206 area. NDX 100, same setup in the NDX 100. Contraction of volume in a dramatic way. NDX 100, the low of yesterday was $103.97. You did 28 million shares. Today, guess what? $103.96. You did 28 million shares. A rejected, lower price, had lighter volume, because that also is going against the March 1st trading day, which had 37 million. So 2 days in a row, 28 million against 37 million. Bottom line, this also wants to get up into the $106.35 level. The way this is set up, it looks to me like we're going to have an ABC structure in the way up. See, because it's not going to be hard to take out that B point with volume. The B point on the NDX 100, folks, are the 3 Qs. It only had 31 million shares. That's going to be easy to take out. We haven't pulled back at all compared to how we went on a one-way route on the way up on this counter-trend bounce. On February 8th, the 3 Qs are at $94.84. It was a straight line move all the way up to $105. We've been messing around here for about a week, building cars, you know, bottom line, next couple days, I think you're going to see some big action. Gold contract, what do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract also rejected lower price on lighter volume. Gold contract out here today did 216,000 contracts, got down to a price point of $1,243. You're going into 274,000 contracts. Bottom line, gold also wants higher price. We go up and we take a look at the bonds. Now, this is the market that has been giving us the most amount of information. I suspect will continue to give us the most amount of information. And this is what it is. Okay, so what we have here is that we right now at a price point of 129.03. That 129.03, this is, so the 129.03, there it is. Yesterday we went up with 1.1 million contracts. Today you went down with 1 million contracts. Now, it didn't hold price, okay? So when you don't hold price, it basically sets up that you can get lower. What I want to see in order for this to get lower is higher volume. You know, I suspect we're going to go test the lows. The lows that would generate out here were Monday. That low was 128.26. You know, you test that low, and if you have an expansion with volume, oh baby, that's a monster ABC down. So what you'd want to do is that you'd want to coordinate and keep your eye on those bonds, because if in fact we go after it, number one, and if you have an expansion in price, guess what that sets up? That sets up, folks, a monster ABC down. If you get a monster ABC down, you know what's going to happen? You're going to get a monster ABC up on the other side. So the correlation right here is pretty cool in the bonds and the S&P and the NASDAQ. Now let's get over and we take a look at the good old King Dollar. King Dollar just can't get out of its way. What we have with King Dollar is this. King Dollar right now is traded today up to a high of 97.58. We are at 97.16. You did 27,000 contracts. The 27,000 contracts was going into 33,000 contracts, as well as going into 60,000 contracts. This King Dollar, first off, I suspect wants to get down to 95.20, 94, and it's making its way down to its August swing low, which is in the 93 area. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow finished up 36. NASDAQ was up 25. S&Ps are up 8. We're going to be right back.